Day 1 of 30 Days Raw. For breakfast, I had a blueberry smoothie with bananas and flaxseed, and I didn't add any stevia. I'm very proud of myself. I'm staying away from stevia for a while to see if it's what's bloating me. So I drank on that a little bit, and then I headed on over to the gym to work on my chest and triceps, a workout that my coach provided me. And then I went to Trader Joe's to get a few things, then came home and made some ice cream with just strawberries, bananas, and spinach. I know that sounds gross, but it is what it is, but it was good. And then I had some seaweed, which is very good for your thyroid. I had about 3 sheets. For a snack, I had almond butter and apples. Then I took my supplements, which I take about 3 times a week. Then I had a nice, delicious arugula and quinoa salad for dinner, and yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Day 2 of 30 Days Raw, and also working with my coach, Amon Johnson. This morning, I had a green smoothie. I switched it up a bit. I had some bananas, dates, and spinach, a little bit of almond milk, and water. Then I did my workout at home today because I couldn't get to the gym, but I still got it in. I did back and biceps and worked out with my equipment at home. I had some tangerines. Then I met my friend at a restaurant, had a salad. And I added my own quinoa and my own dressing because I wanted to know how many calories I was eating, just being in control. We just went looking at some stores, and then I came home, sat by the pool, had my snack of some grapes, and enjoyed this beautiful day. It wasn't too hot, not too cold. I was mad because I didn't have any more frozen bananas, so I couldn't have an ice cream. So I just made a smoothie, just bananas and dates and water. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. It's day 9 of 30 Days Raw, and I'm tired of eating salads and fruit. I needed something different, man. I was craving these raw natty cakes that I like to get from time to time. These things are the bomb, yo. My favorite is the lime and mango. Child, don't sleep on it. Do not sleep on it. Bruh, I could not wait until I got home. I'm sitting outside of Whole Foods. This right here, though, okay? That one bite, though, I just fell out onto the table. Bruh, y'all need to go to Whole Foods and get you a raw natty cake, okay? And did I mention that they're raw and they have natural ingredients? What I ate on day 13 of 30 Days Raw. Today, I didn't wake up until like 11:30. My husband and I were out late last night, so I was extremely tired. My first meal was around 12:30. I made some strawberry and ice cream. Yummy. Then I went on a little hike with my niece and nephew. I'm at the park with my niece and nephew, and I'm eating a snack. I'm gonna eat this apple, and I have some almonds, raw almonds. Woo! Walked back on the trail back to my mother's house, and then had some tangerines for a little snack. And for dinner, I just had freshness in a bowl. It had cucumbers, tomatoes. I cut up some avocado. I cut them horizontally as well as vertically, and then I squeezed them into the bowl. I added some lemon. I put some no salt seasoning on there, and it was delicious. I put it over a bed of arugula later just to add a little bit more filling, and that's what I ate today. Thank you for watching. It's day 14 of 30 Days Raw. I made a delicious collard wrap. You guys should try it. Check out the description for all the details. This was so good. It's the sauce that makes or break it, honey. Yes. It's day 15 of 30 Days Raw. Let's make some dragon fruit and ice cream. Add some frozen bananas, frozen dragon fruit, 1 tablespoon of almond butter. I added a little bit of stevia for the first time in a couple weeks. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful color. It's gorgeous. I add a little bit of coconut, blueberries, and some pomegranate seeds, and it's ready to eat. Yummy. This came out really good, delicious, refreshing, and divine. Yummy. Let me know if you try this. Here's a fun idea for a snack. Get you a date, cut it open, put some peanut butter inside. I prefer peanut butter for this instead of almond butter. And that's it. Just put it inside and eat it. And then dance, because it's hecka good. The combination of that peanut butter and the date, it's off the hook. Let's eat another one. And that's all I can have is 2. With 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. That's it. Bruh, I made some persimmon ice cream for the first time. And let me tell you, I added some frozen bananas, frozen persimmons. Before I froze them, they were nice and soft and sweet and so ripe. It came out so creamy. I didn't add any almond butter or peanut butter like I normally do with my ice cream. That makes me like it better. I didn't need it. I didn't add any sweetener. It was perfectly sweet. Pomegranates on top. Bruh. It was so good. It was making me mad. This right here, though. Now that hit the spot, okay? What I ate on day 18 of 30 Days Raw. For breakfast, I had some tangerines while walking. And then I did a leg workout. Went to Sprouts, got a few things. Also went to Trader Joe's, but I didn't record that. Came home, had some tangerine ice cream, and it was really delicious. And then I went to a coffee shop, which I didn't record. Walked home from the coffee shop, had a snack of some grapes. A few minutes later, I had some raw almonds, and then I had a delicious salad. This was thebomb.com. It had cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, quinoa, olive timpanade. I added some nutritional yeast in there and some pomegranate and bitchin sauce as the dressing. Bruh, okay? This was the bomb. The combination of everything was off the hook, and I will be making this salad again. Man, it was good. Hella good. Now that hit the spot, okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow. Do you know what today is? It's my plant-based anniversary. Day 19 of 30 Days Raw. I did a workout and I wanted to make a protein shake, so I added some flax, some rice protein, 1 frozen banana, some spinach, some strawberries, water. I added some cayenne and turmeric. Please Google the benefits of that. It's not very pretty, but you know, I just needed to get the protein in there, and it was alright. Anyway, then I went to the cafe and I brought my own food and snacks. Don't trip. I had some grapes, and then I waited a little bit, and then I had some cashews. My husband was sitting next to me, but I didn't film him. We were just chilling. I was handling some business and whatnot, and that's one of my favorite things to do, by the way. Go to a coffee shop or a cafe. It's just so chill and relaxed. And yeah, this is it. It wasn't a lot of people there at this hour. Next, I had a yummy raw natty cake. And then I had a delicious salad for dinner, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Here was a yummy recipe, excuse my voice, I made I spiralized some zucchini, add some pesto from Trader Joe's, just added some tomatoes, olives, and you can do sun-dried tomatoes as well. And it was really good. So yeah, this is the salad. This is the end result. Okay, we struggled to get here, but we made it. Why? Because we pushed through and we didn't give up. And that's what we have to do in life. You push through. You don't give up. You don't give up when times are rough. When things ain't working out, you just push through. Come on, Jesus. Somebody touch your neighbor. Ha! Okay? All right. So now I like to, you know, mix it all up. Y'all, I feel a dance coming on. Oh shoot! Oh! Y'all know I like to dance with something good. It's good and healthy and refreshing and light. I feel like I could skip through a field of hay. What I was referring to when I said we didn't give up, we pushed through, because I was live and I was trying to spiralize my zucchini and it wasn't working. And I kept trying and I was embarrassed and it wasn't working. And then I realized that I was doing it backwards. I was rolling the little wheel the opposite way that I normally do. And it took my husband helping me figure it out. I was live while I was doing it, so I was so embarrassed. But we finally figured it out. Again, forgive me of my voice. I lost it. I sound like a dying monkey. Yummy. I had dessert for lunch. I made some dragon fruit and ice cream, cut up half of this delicious raw natty cake that I love that I get from Whole Foods, and I cut them up, put them on top of the ice cream, and ate it, and it was like a little dessert for lunch. It was delicious and refreshing. Day 23 of 30 Days Raw. Let's go. Hey guys, this was something that I wanted to bring back. I made this a long time ago. It's walnut meat, or aka raw taco meat. So check it out on my YouTube channel. It's probably about 10 videos down on my YouTube page. It's called like how to make walnut meat. You can make it walnut meat and it's raw, but then you can make it high raw if you're gonna add queso. So go check that video out. This was so good. I didn't have it this time around eating raw, but you know, I did have it in the past. But I did want to show the recipe. So go check it out on my YouTube page, and the recipe is in the description. And you guys, it's so delicious. You just got to be careful. It's very high in fat. You don't want to eat too much. So you got to be mindful. And the queso is just an added bonus if you want to make it a high raw. Anyway, thank you guys for watching some of what I ate on my 30 Days Raw in October. Again, sorry about my voice. I started teaching last week, and I think I got a little something from the kids. And now my voice is going away, and I need it to get better because my birthday is in a week. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Keep me in prayer. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment, let me know you're watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.